Should I buy or sell SPY? The report for SPY was first published on our website Friday, March 17, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 14, 2023, our system ranks SPY as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.070. In this period the stock has not performed as our systems expected and actually had a loss of -0.44% so far. This is an average return of -0.11% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for SPY, our last headline reads, SPY ETF upgraded from hold/accumulate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The SPY ETF price fell by -1.55% on the last day, Friday, March 17, 2023, from $396.11 to $389.99. During the last trading day the ETF fluctuated 1.51% from a day low at $388.55 to a day high of $394.40. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by -3.51% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -2 million shares and in total, 142 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $55.44 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $462.07, and the lowest price was $348.11. Right now the price is 15.6%, or $72.08, below 52-week high and 18.75%, or $89.99, below all-time high January 4, 2022 where the price hit $479.98. The ETF lies in the lower part of a weak rising trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $386.42 is broken, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning for a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 3.87% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 2.92% and 13.11%. The 12-month trend indicates a -7.35% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -18.89% and -1.91%. This equals a price between $316.30 and $382.53 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for SPY. There are mixed signals in the ETF today. The SPY ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $389.99 and $402.16. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 13, 2023, and so far it has risen 1.2%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 16 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart we see. Short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $389.28, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the ETF tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.85 between high and low, or 1.51%. For the last week the ETF has had daily average volatility of 1.97%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, SPY meets first resistance at $391.56. If you do not hold SPY shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, SPY finds first level of support at $389.28, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Our recommended stop loss is $367.54, minus 5.76%. This ETF has low daily movements, and this gives low risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 4 days ago. Is SPY ETF a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity as there is a fair chance for SPY ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Monday 20th, we expect SPY to open up 99 cents and start trading at $390.98. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember